This is probably not the best way to start off the day chugging a 2-liter bottle of soda pop. This is probably going to be one of the most ridiculous challenges I've ever done around 9 a.m. You guys better smash that like button. Today, I have a 2-liter bottle of Peach Faygo. This is a new flavor. Actually, I don't know if this flavor is new, but I got it here today, the Peach Faygo. I figured I'd come back with another Faygo Soda Pop Chug because the other ones have been doing so well. I had to come back with another Faygo Soda Pop Chug. You guys already know what it is. I swear I don't even have to chug this thing. I already know it's going to be good because it's peach. Who doesn't like anything peach drinks? If you don't like anything peach drink, then you're pretty much weird. I'm weird. I have no idea what I'm saying right now at 9 a.m. I just woke up, so please don't roast me in the comments, judge me. My face looks disgusting right now, so don't go down in comments and roast me. Before I get started with this challenge, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button, and for the sake that I'm like really tired and it's like 9 a.m. in the morning, let's go. Let's open this up. Immediate fizz. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. Simple challenge here. 2-liter bottle, Peach Faygo, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's so warm and not cold. God. That is so sweet. There is a dumb amount of sugar in this 2-liter bottle of Peach Faygo. There we go. That was a 2-liter bottle of Peach Faygo at 9 a.m. What a great way to not start off the day, because I'm probably going to pass out. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. We're so close to 1.7K. I think we're like 5 subscribers away. It's so hard to talk right now. But I'm pretty sure we'll have it by the time this video drops. That is gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm getting off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe if you're new. Stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. And we're out.